Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's design a clean social media buttons using custom shapes. Create a new landscape canvas for a horizontal button row. Clean the custom shape tool and browse the UI shapes. Choose the rounded rectangle to form a button base. Drag a wide rounded button shape across the canvas. Fill it with a modern blue tone and also add a social media logo shape on top from the shape menu. Center both elements perfectly. Now duplicate the button and adjust colors for each platform. Replace icons accordingly for consistency. Add soft shadows to lift the buttons gently. Adjust padding inside each button to balance text. Add short call to action text beneath.